In this video, I'm going to go over 3 reasons why you simply should not miss out on this Bitcoin sale. Now, since most of my crypto purchases are long-term investments, I like to buy low and sell high. I've done a bunch of research and I've come to the conclusion that buying low and selling high is the way forward to make consistent profit. If you haven't already done so, do please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you can get similar content as soon as I upload them to help you on your trading journey. Back in January of 2021, Elon Musk's company, Tesla, bought over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, which helped make his company about $19 billion in 2020. Now, thanks to this current market dip, we have another opportunity to buy in at the same prices. So now are 3 reasons why I would not want to miss out on this Bitcoin sale. And not just Bitcoin, a bunch of other altcoins are going at record low prices as well. One of the main reasons Bitcoin has risen in value so dramatically is its scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That is a fact. If all the Bitcoin supply in existence were to be distributed evenly across the people of the earth, then there would only be 0.0023 of a Bitcoin for each person. So, if you own more than 0.0023 of a Bitcoin, you will own more than most people can ever own. And that should be one more good reason to buy Bitcoin. After the creation of Bitcoin in 2009, its price has been on a parabolic uptrend. Yes, there have been peaks and troughs, but zooming out, we see a clear uptrend that has pushed its price from less than 1 cent to where it is today. A $50 investment in 2009 would have netted you $100 million at Bitcoin's peak in 2017. With the price of Bitcoin hovering at about the $50,000 mark today, it's just proof that it does indeed hold its value, making it a great investment for the future. Bitcoin's global spread has been likened to the spread of a forest fire. The number of people owning blockchain wallets is on the increase. More than 26 million merchants now accept cryptocurrency worldwide. Listed here are just some of the more popular companies that accept Bitcoin for their products and services. Here we have some insights from a former Google employee, Michael Levin, on the speed of Bitcoin adoption.
Former Google employee Michael Levin has provided data on Bitcoin's impressive adoption growth rate since its inception in 2009. When compared to the Internet, PayPal, technologies such as mobile phones and other virtual banking tools, Bitcoin's adoption rate is much faster. In only 12 years, Levin estimates that Bitcoin reached 135 million users with projections to have 1 billion users by 2025. The adoption of the Internet took 7.5 years to reach 1 billion users. Bitcoin will do the same in almost half the time.
Following and listed in no particular order are 6 different platforms where you can buy Bitcoin as soon as today. Use the links in the description box below if you want to open a GEMINI, COINBASE, BINANCE or KUCOIN account. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.